All right, today's I can statement is a little bit vague to start. I can understand the coordinate plane. Okay, let's jump right in it because it's a little bit vague. I can understand the coordinate plane. Let's start by simply drawing a number line. And then we're going to look at this number line and some attributes of the number line and be very specific about it. But let's start with drawing a number line. Start at 0. If I have a 0 and I move to the right 1 unit, I'll have 1. If I move to the right again, 2 to the right again, 3 to the right again, 4, move to the right again, 5. Moving to the right, you have positive. If I go back to 0 and I move to the left, I'll have a negative 1. Move to the left, negative 2. Move to the left, negative 3, negative 4, and negative 5. So this is a horizontal number line. Horizontal. If I want to move on the number line, I have to go left and right. So moving side to side, left and right, horizontal number line. Okay, now let's look at a different number line. Let's say I have a different number line and I want to draw a number line, but I want to this time shift it so it's a vertical number line. I'm going to draw this number line straight through the 0 on the horizontal number line. Let's not get ahead of ourselves. Think about a thermometer. A thermometer has a vertical number line, right? It's up and down. So logically speaking, where would you start your 0 if you had a vertical number line that intersects with the horizontal number line? Probably right here. So the point of intersection where the the horizontal number line and the vertical number line meet, that's called the intersection, that's called the origin, because they're both 0, 0. So this is a 0. I don't want to overlap, so I'm just going to put an arrow here, that's a 0. Now it's not going to be perfect, but if I move up on a number line, that's vertical. If I go up, that's going to be positive 1. Up again, positive 2. Up again, just like a thermometer, 3. You go up, it's positive 4 and 5. Again, my increments are not perfect, but that's okay. So going back to 0 on the vertical number line, let's go down. Down is going to be negative 1, negative 2, negative 3, negative 4, and negative 5. And you can go on forever. All right, so let's again look at some attributes of the vertical number line. First of all, it's vertical. And to move on this number line, I have to move up and down. Okay, so we've basically just created a coordinate plane. A coordinate plane is a space formed by two perpendicular number lines called axes. So this is a horizontal, this is a vertical. When I put them together and they intersect at 0, it's called a coordinate plane. We'll have a new name for this number line. It's now called the x-axis. Box this out because this is a very important vocabulary word. And then the vertical number line is now called the y-axis. It has a new name. The center of the point of intersection, we call this the origin. Okay. Let's stop right there for the coordinate plane because that's a lot of information. So just remember, the coordinate plane is a space formed by two perpendicular number lines, but the number lines are now called the y-axis and the x-axis. The x-axis is the horizontal number line, the y-axis is the vertical number line. The origin is the point of intersection between the y and the x, and it's known as 0, 0. All right, we'll talk about ordered, paired, and coordinate numbers next.